Alright, so we're going to take a look at arrays, and arrays aren't that bad. I just started up, I got a button on a form, and I'm going to use this button for our tutorial. Now, it has nothing to do with the button really, but I just declared two arrays, and there's two ways of doing that in C#. And for a single array, not a double array, in C#, I can do the declaration of int and input the array symbol and then the name of the array. And I declared it by using the open brackets and just putting some integers in it because this is an integer array. And the second one, my second int array, I made a new array of size 3. And you use these two different ways for two different reasons. If you already know what goes in your array, you could use it this way. If you're going to store data that's later going to be put into an array that's declared, then you would use this way. This way you have 3 open spaces in your array, but you don't have anything in it yet. This one, you already have stuff in it. And the way you use to index or to locate different values in your array, you would simply type my int array and the position you want to look at. Now this position is 2. Now you would think, okay, 1, 2, 3, it would print this one out. However, in C# and in many other languages, the computer starts from 0. So this actually position would be 0, this position is 1, and this position is 2. So it actually would print the third one right here, or the number 3, I'm sorry. And the same goes down to here. You notice that I assigned position 0 of the second int with the number 42, and I put it in the first position of this array. So when I print this out by showing a message box and using the toString to convert it to a string, then I use the first position, which would give me 42. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And I hit the button, it prints 3 like we want it to, 3 right there, and it should print 42, and it does. This was a brief example of how arrays are declared in C# and how to assign different values. You could also done a string one as well, because you could do it for any one of the types in C#. You could even do object arrays as well if you wanted to. Let's go my string array, and let's actually put something in it. Let's put Mahendra and close that sucker up. Let's show that this time. But this time when I show this one, I don't have to use the toString because oops, I have to do a position here. 0. I don't have to use the toString, and why is that? Because it's a string array. It's already a string, so I don't have to use the string representation like I do an int. So let's go ahead and try this out. 1, 3, 42, and Mahendra. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.